guys, welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel and if you are a returning subscriber, I say welcome to this channel. In this video I'll be teaching you 5 ways to make money online. 5 different ways to make legit and cool money online. If you are interested in how to make money online with your smartphone or with your system, this video is for you. Ensure you watch this video to the very end. On this channel I make videos around making money online and how to build a profitable business online. If this interests you, subscribe right now to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Don't forget to join me and follow me on my video social media account on Instagram, on Twitter. Also join my Telegram community where I drop tips on how to make money online, on how to build profitable business and more things. There you will get immediate notification whenever I drop amazing videos like this to my channel. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Now to the videos. These are my videos. You can come here and check. I've made some videos, so go there and check my videos. Now to the main thing we have. So I'll be teaching you how to make money sitting at home. 5 different ways to make money sitting at home for anyone who wants to make money online. So this video is for anybody who wants to make money online, for anybody who wants to make money online. Either you're a student, you are a job seeker, or anybody, either you have job or you need the side hustle. This will work for you as well. Ensure you watch the entire video so that you won't miss a bonus. Yes, I have a bonus for you at the end of this video, so that's why you have to watch the video to the end. Watch the video to the end. Top 5 ways to make money sitting at home. I'm Samuel again, aka OnllineMaster, which is the name of this channel. Subscribe to this channel, support this family. Just subscribe and like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. That will really help to trigger YouTube algorithm to show this video to a lot of people and solve their make money problem. The number 1 way to make money online is by learning a skill. A skill means a knowledge that you can acquire to make money. Like you learn that skill, you learn something, and you render it as a service to someone in a return of money. So skill is something you learn, you render that what you learn, or you give that what you learn to somebody in return of money. So that is how skills is. When I'm talking about skills, we have a lot of skills, but I think data skills really pay more. Yes, really pay more, and sometimes it is fast to learn. So I'm talking like skills like graphic design, website design, sales funnel curation, ebook writing, and so on. We have a lot of skills that you can learn and make money from. So all you have to do is just to pick a niche depending on your interest. If you are interested in graphic design, go for graphic design. If you are interested in web design, go for web design. Any skills you are interested in, coding, go for coding. Learn coding, master it, and start rendering it as a service to people. The number 2 thing is freelancing. That is good. When you have a skill, freelance will be very easy for you. Yes, if you know your onions in that skill. Now I'm a graphic designer, so I can freelance. Freelance means rendering your service to different people online. Yes, you are rendering that service, the skill you have, to different people online. So this will not limit you to people in your local area. This will not limit you to people only in your country, because you can deliver to people who are abroad, who are in US, who are in UK, who are in Ghana, in different countries. Yes, through some freelancing sites. We have 2 general freelancing sites that we know. We have Fiverr and we also have Upwork. We have Fiverr.com, we also have Upwork.com. These are the 2 general sites, or we also have more. So these are the 2 that I will mention in this video that you can start with. Create account with these 2 platforms. It's free. Yes, it's free. All you have to do is just to focus on that skill. If it is graphic design, focus on graphic design. Create your gig, create anything you want. Just create your gig and create the gig on the topic or the skills that you have, and start making money through that. So the next thing that you do for me now is that you just let me know if you'll be interested to learn skills. I want to know, maybe you to start number 1, you'd like to start number 2, you'd like to start number 3. Just drop it in the comment section of this video. If you are interested in starting freelancing or you want to learn skill, just tell me in the comment section of this video that I want to learn graphic design skill, I want to learn those so skills. So that will help me a lot, so to know what you want, so that I can create more videos on that that you need. So if you want to start freelancing, just type it in the comment section of this video of this video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of my videos. When you subscribe, YouTube will notify you whenever I drop videos, and give this video a thumbs up as well. Yes, the number 3 thing is start a blog. Yes, start a blog. You can make a lot of money with blog. You can make a lot of money with blog, but you have to put in some work. You have to put in some work. One of the works you have to do, choose the niche that you want to follow. If you want to serve people about making your money online, you must know that earlier. You want to serve people or with content about how to reduce weight loss, you have to know that. So when after you have know the problem you want to solve for people, then you create your blog. Blog is like a simple website where you write content, to teach and educate people, and we make money. We have a different ways to make money through blog, and the general way is through Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a Google platform that give you a commission when you allow them to promote or to advertise on your website. Yes, if you allow Google to advertise on your website, Google will pay you some commission. How does this work? We have some big companies that have paid Google to advertise for them. So Google now needs someone or website to advertise these people's business. So that's why when you sign up with Google AdSense, you'll be able to make money through that, and you can also make money through affiliate marketing in blog. So through affiliate marketing, you can also make money when you start blog. If you are interested in starting blog, just let me know in the comment section of this video. Just tell me that I will be interested in starting blog. And don't forget, I have a video on this channel on how to start a free blog. So make sure you watch the video after this video if you are interested in starting blog in 2022. The number 14 is start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means promoting other people's products for a commission. You won't be the owner of the product. I know maybe you don't have product, but you can partner with some people. You can partner with the product owner and make money with it. So how do you partner with some people? You partner with the product owner, that whenever you bring client or you bring customer to the product owner, you will get a certain commission on any product the person buy. So that is how affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is as simple as that. Almost all of us do that in our environment, because maybe I want to someone like this jersey, so and the person see it, and so I like this your clothes, I like this your clothes, where can I get it? So I can tell the person, no, I get it from so person. The process of telling that person, maybe my friend, that I bought it from so person is called affiliate marketing. So you can see I refer the person to go and buy it from there. So that person can also walk to the shop where I said I bought it and go and buy its own there. But what is different between this is that I'm not getting a commission, I'm not paying any dime, so I do that for free. So instead of doing that for free, I can start doing that online, just referring people to other people's product and making money online. So that is what you can do. Affiliate marketing is number 4, and number 1 is ebook creation. Ebook creation is really good, because you can start to create ebook for free. Yes, you can start ebook for free. Ebook is not as hard as you think. Some people think you have to do some degrees, you have to have some degrees, you have to have some maybe PhD degree. No, you don't need that. It is not about education, it is about your knowledge, it is about the problem you can solve. So if you know you can solve a certain problem, you can create ebook. So you create ebook on that problem you want to solve and sell it to people. Just think of what your audience want, or think of your interest. Maybe you are interested in creating book for people to lose weight, or you are interested in creating book for people to make money online, or you are interested in creating fashion books. Can you see? So just think of what you are interested in and create ebook on that. Ebook, some people don't know what ebook means. Ebook is different from the hardcover book that we do carry about. Ebook is a digital book that you can only open it on your laptop or on your system. So it is online. You don't need to, maybe you don't need to wait it to people. Everything can be done online. Everything can be done online. Yes, now to my bonus. If before I tell you the bonus, if you have not liked this video, just give this video a thumbs up right now. This video thumbs up, comment down, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Don't forget to follow me on my social media and join me on WhatsApp. Connect with me on WhatsApp. I want to be friends with you guys. Just follow me, just connect with me on WhatsApp. If you are watching this video right now, make sure you check the link in the description of the video and connect with me on WhatsApp. Now to the bonus. The number 16, which is the bonus I'm giving up, is start WhatsApp marketing. Yes, if you're a student, if you're still no mom, if you don't have anything you are doing right now, you can start making money with that your WhatsApp. Yes, we have different ways to make money on WhatsApp. You don't really need product at times. Yes, most times you don't really need product to start make money on WhatsApp. Yes, I can show you how to do that, but if you're interested in that, just let me know. Just come to me on WhatsApp. I have an ebook. I have an ebook on that. And the ebook is selling for 1,000 naira only at the pre-order price for now. In the long run, yes, the price will be increased, maybe like 10,000 or more. So if you are acting now, you will get the book on pre-order price for just 1,000 naira. So you send the link to connect with me on WhatsApp. Just tell me if you need the book. It is just 1,000 naira for pre-order, and the book will be launched very soon. So if you want to make money through WhatsApp, or you want to know how to make money through WhatsApp, in the ebook I go in depth on how to make a lot of money through WhatsApp. Yes, I will show you 7 different ways. Yes, I will even add one bonus and show you 7 different ways to make money on WhatsApp. You can start any of it. And it is easy and free to start. Yes, most of it is easy and free to start. All you have to do is just to read the book and start making money after you have reading that. If you're interested in that book, it is just 1,000 naira price at pre-order price for now. It is just 1,000 naira at pre-order price for now. Come to my WhatsApp, and if you're interested in the book, purchase the book on pre-order for just 1,000 naira. For people in outside the country, 1,000 naira is just like $2. Yes, $2 is just $2. So that is it about today's video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel right now. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. See you in the next video.